Hey you guys, welcome back. I'm back with another video, another review, you guys. I have another review and I am here to share what I got in this bag and just talk through on why I purchased this item. So, of course, you know, before we jump into what I have, I am going to ask you to please like, share, and subscribe, and even share my video. And don't forget to hit the notification button, you guys. If you like my videos and you like the content that I'm giving, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I am currently on the road to 500 subscribers. We are almost there. Once I get there, there will be a huge giveaway. So please help me reach that first milestone. But before we jump into what I have here, you guys, I want to just go ahead and tell you that I was influenced on this bag. I initially seen a couple of my purse sisters have this bag, and I was thinking to myself, I do not need this bag because I knew I had this color in my wardrobe, but I just wanted to see, you know, I wanted to see it. And so when I seen it in person, as you can see, I went to the store and seen it in person. I realized it's not the exact same color that I have. So at that point, I did choose to buy the bag. So let me go ahead and share. It's not a huge haul, and I don't want to spend a lot of time rambling, you guys. I want to go ahead and get the video in. I know some people like it short and sweet. Some people don't mind, but I want to go ahead and share with you guys what I have. So I'm going to go ahead and sit the bag down, and then I'll go ahead and pull out the item. All right, so without further ado, I purchased the yellow Rowan. And it's not necessarily yellow, it's turmeric. And this is why I opted not to buy the bag originally. Now, our lovely sister, shall I say, Olive and Denitra, they are the ones who influenced me on this bag. I first saw this on Olive's page when she did the review, and I was like, oh, I like it. It's so pretty. Then Denitra purchased the bag, and I seen it there. I had already purchased the canvas, canvas signature in pink, which I did a review on. But I was just kind of didn't know if I wanted to purchase this color or not, because I already had a similar color to this, and I'm going to share with you guys why I didn't know if I wanted to buy this bag and what was the in-between on the reason why. And I'm going to share that with you. So again, this is the Rowan. It is the regular size, you guys, which I love. This is my favorite size for my body frame and height. It's not too small and not too big. It's just right. I can put all my items in. It's not too heavy. So I do love, let me go ahead and go over a little review with you guys. It is in this beautiful, 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 it's called turmeric, yellow, mustard. I don't even know if it's mustard, you guys, because it's deep. It has the hardware, which is not silver. I'm going to say this is a, what type of hardware? Do it even specify? It's a dark, like black, almost black, smoky hardware, you guys. If you can see, I'll give you a full 360. I love that. It's got the same details, everything just like the previous Rowan. If you've seen one, I love that the zipper actually matches as well. It just goes well with the bag, you guys. Again, we know that it does not have any feet at the bottom. The zipper does go side to side, like so, here and here. There's only one zipper, and it's very smooth. You have the back pocket here. Let's check that out. And I went to go place this item. I wanted to see if my store had it, so I went on the website, and it showed that it did not have it. And again, you guys, there's just been some controversy on how people are getting bags. If you have a relationship with your essays, you can text them and ask them, do they have it in the store? This was showing out of stock at my store, and myself and my girlfriend were going to ride somewhere else to get it because we wanted the bag. I simply text my essay, and she sent me a screenshot of the pictures of the bag in the store, and they had 5 of them. So we ended up going to the store picking them up. I didn't have to wait to order it. Again, build a relationship with your essays, and they will look out for you. When things are released, when they're new, when you're looking for something, you can always do it that way, and they can send you a link and you can pay for it that way, and they'll ship it to you, or they'll place it on hold for you to pick up. So just try to do that, you guys, and build that relationship with your essay so that you're able to get the items that you want. But let me go ahead and share the reason why I didn't get this. I was struggling with getting this bag. This has become one of my, also you guys, this has become one of my favorite silhouettes as well. You guys know I love the tabbies, but this is also, and I'll share some of the bags that I had in just a few in this style. But the reason why I struggled, you guys, is because I have the tabby. I have the tabby in this yellow, but they are not the same. And I don't know if the camera is picking up the difference. This is a more deeper dark yellow, kind of red undertone, and this is more of like a sunshine yellow. And let me see what the color of this that we called this tabby. This tabby was called canary yellow. So this is a canary yellow, and this is considered turmeric. They are all, it looks like, and I wish the lights would, I don't know if you guys can see, but I hope you guys can see that the two, this is way lighter. And like I said, this has a deep, rich, like, I'm hoping I'm saying it right, red undertone. So it's not the same. And I think that was the battle for me, is that I had something kind of already similar in this color. But when I looked at it, and I was able to see it again, go into the store, you guys, and see it, I was like, well, they're not necessarily the same. This gives me more of the summer for sure colors that I rock this bag in the summer. This is one of my favorite original tabby silhouettes. But this is a yellow that would be for like summer wise, you guys. And I guess you can wear it all year round, but I consider this one of my summer bags. But this is why I struggle. This one, I feel like I can carry all year long. The yellow that it has and the undertone that it has, you guys, it gives me every season. And you guys let me know what you think. Do you think you can carry this all year round, or is this a seasonal bag for you? I don't really put my bags in categories a lot of times with seasonal. But this is the new piece to my collection. I do want to go ahead and show you what I'm currently carrying. Currently, I am carrying her. And if you've seen my videos before, and if you haven't, go ahead and watch. It is the last video that I had. These bags, you guys, they carry a punch. They pack a lot, and I'm not going to do a what's in my bag today, but this is my current bag. She is dressed up. I'm going to show you some examples of how to dress her up, but I'm going to give you a quick view of what I currently have in my bag so that you can see how much stuff you can carry. And she's probably not organized. It's my gum, you guys. But if you see my books, I got a head wrap. Take that out, loose money. But as you can see, this bag has, let's take this out. This bag carries a lot. My accessories, I mean a lot. So if you're considering getting this bag, get the bag, you guys. Get the bag. It is a beautiful bag. I do want to show my little collection, you guys. So I have this one, like I said. And again, let me go ahead and open this one so you guys can see, because I didn't show the inside. Here is the strap. It's just another strap. Inside this bag, they have it stuffed, of course. Like the pink one, it was like more like a deep plum color inside. This one is actually a more darker yellow, brown, tan color. So with the pink, it was a rich burgundy, plumish color inside. This one is more of a mustard yellow, brownish color inside. And again, it has the same pockets, same zipper pocket on one side, and then an open pocket here. Okay, so this is my new piece to my Rowan collection. I do want to share what I have with these. So again, this one, Denitra, she styled the mess out of this bag. Let me show you what I have and what I'm thinking about. Until I want that black that she has. I just felt like it's just gorgeous. You guys, I purchased this chain last year or the year before, but the reason why I purchased this, it goes with everything, you guys. It has the black, it has gray, it has a light purple, it has a dark purple, it has a blue, a light blue, a teal, a green, a yellow, a light pink, a darker pink, and a white. So it can go with any bag, you guys. So you definitely can dress this bag up. Again, you know, I love to dress my bags and style them. I'm just going to show you how this chain looks on this bag. Look at there, you guys. There's that yellow. So if you wanted to, you can use this chain. You can decorate this bag. I love this chain. I'll give you a couple of other ideas really quick because again, I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. I have a scarf, you guys. This scarf would go gorgeously with this bag, like so. So I plan on wearing that. I've been seeing some very beautiful ones, wrapping up one of these and tying in a knot. That would go. My chains. I love chains. Like I said, I want to get one of those black chains that the Nisha she's influenced me on that, and I think that black is just beautiful. But until then, I am going to use my silver. And again, you know, I don't care personally. Like I said, you can mix and match your bags how you want them and dress them up how you prefer to dress them up. I'm just going to add a couple of chains in my bags just to show you guys what I have. This is how I plan on wearing her because I just think this is so cute. All right, so I have taken two of my chains and I have basically linked them up like so. And like I said, you can dress these up how you want. I also have this charm, and they did just recently come out with a gold one, the key charm. It has the heart with the yellow and green. Oops, you guys, it has the heart that's yellow and pink and gold. It has this beautiful green lock, and then it has a pink lock. I'm going to add that as well. Like I said, you can decorate it however you want. And look at that, you guys. Like I said, you can do what you want. Dress it up however you want. I'm trying to think, what else do I have? Also, I have this black apple. I can take that off. I think that would go as well. Get over to the side really fast. And that's gorgeous. So, again, it's up to you on what you want to do and how you want to style your bag. Okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and set that over to the side because, again, I want to share, again, like I told you guys, this is one of my favorites. I do love this style of bag, the stiletto, the style of the bag. So, we know I have this yellow one. I have this one that I recently have purchased. Okay? I also, and let me put that over there so you guys can see. Let's see how I'm going to do that. So I have that one. Prior to that, I had the camo. You guys, I don't know if you guys remember this release. I actually bought this in a tote bag as well. So this is the camo. I do love the difference in this one, that when they came out with the camo, it actually came out with this strap. Let me see, you guys, see if I can untwist it or show you. So that is the difference with this one compared to the other two. It came out with the strap. And you can attach a chain. So I love this guitar strap that it came out with. This is another one of my favorites. And then, like I said, these we know are the outlet bags, but I have the ruby. The ruby is the same. It's just not a Rowan, but the style of it, you guys. This is my ruby that I have. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Pull this back. This is my ruby. Okay. The ruby is essentially almost the same, but this is retail, and this is the 1941 collection. So again, this is becoming one of my favorite style of bags. I just like the styles of them. The ruby does come with feet. If you haven't seen these were the bomb bags as well, you guys. Same kind of concept inside. Okay. So I just kind of wanted to share with you guys, again, when it comes to the Rowans, I like to get different colors and different ones that's not an everyday color or style. So again, we have the camo. You can definitely dress this up. I have the fuchsia and the signature bag. And now I have the turmeric, you guys, with the gun hardware. Gunmetal hardware is what it is, you guys. So essentially, I plan on getting some black hardware or accessories or some other things, you guys. But for right now, this is how I plan on selling them. So again, I wanted to come and share with you guys. Like I said, they've become my favorite style of bag on top of the tabby. Tell me what's your favorite Coach style bag. Are you a tote girl? Are you a cargo girl? Are you a Rowan girl? Tabby, quilted tabby? You tell me. But I wanted to come and share with you again my latest collection. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments. You know, I love to engage with you and talk about the different things. And again, don't forget, you guys, watch your sisters and your brothers out here in the community, and share their videos, and leave them comments, and you know, even get influence if you need to, and talk through if there's a bag you're interested in and you're iffy about. Talk through it with them. This community, what I found, is becoming like a family. They will share. They don't hold back. If you're looking for something, they help you. And that's what I'm loving about the community. So I appreciate you all. And again, thank you again for just coming over here and watching little old me. I hope you guys have a blessed week, and I will be seeing you guys